Hello and welcome back to my channel, Shanette for Life. If you are new here, please join the channel by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you also turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Today's video, I will be showing you how I make my version of the vegan taco bowls, and I will also be showing you how I prepare my husband's taco bowl, which is non-vegan, and I'll be showing you how I do that as well. These are going to be the ingredients that I use for the taco bowls. In exception of the corn, I forgot to add it to the table, but the things I'm using for my vegan bowl are on the left, and for my husband it's going to be on the right. I use my shell makers to mold my taco bowls. I didn't use oil for mine, but for my husband's I did use some extra virgin olive oil, and I placed them on the top rack in the oven on 350 degrees for like 10 minutes. I then proceeded to wash both cans of the beans off really good. I then used original taco seasoning to season the beans with. The spices that come in this package is chili pepper, oregano, salt, onions, and garlic. I am now dicing up my tomatoes. I'm not a chef, so please don't judge me on my dicing skills. That didn't work, so moving right along. I'm going to be preparing my husband's bowl first because he was hungry and he couldn't wait, so I want to get him out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my romaine salad mix that I had left over. I'm just going to add a little bit to the taco bowls as well. This here is my husband's taco bowls, the non-vegan version. And this will be the vegan bowl.